A quick note about the Cartesian product. We need to understand that two order pairs are equal if and only if the corresponding first elements are equal and the second elements are also equal. Right? For example, A comma Chandra is not the same as Chandra comma A. Similarly, if you have 2 comma 3, this is not same as 3 comma 2. How will this help? For questions like x plus 1 comma y minus 2 is being equal to 3 comma 1, find the values of x and y. This we have done in your, I think, 8th or 9th or 10th grade, right? So we have learned this thing that x plus 1 can be equal to 3, y minus 2 is equal to 1. Because of this fact, which fact? Because of this fact, this is possible. If not for this, this would have not been possible. I hope you guys understood that. It's not that hard though. The order matters, as simple as that. If there are P elements in A and Q elements in B, then there will be P into Q elements in A cross B, the Cartesian product between A and B. That is, if n of A, the number of elements in set A is P, number of elements in set B is Q, then the number of elements in Cartesian product between A cross B is P into Q. For example, right, I have, say, just let me, okay, so I have here the number of elements of set A is 1, 2, 3 and set B is 5. So the total number of elements will be how much? Right, 3 into 5, 15. Makes sense, right? If I happen to remove 3 of them, the number of elements now would be 3 and 2, that is 6. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, very simple concept. If A and B are non-empty sets and either A or B are infinite set, then the Cartesian product between A and B will be what? Infinite. Okay, it makes sense, right? If I have A cross B, that is the Cartesian product between A and B. Say B has infinite element. Say the elements are real numbers or natural numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I keep going and say this is just letter A and B, how many rows will be there? Fixed rows, 2 rows. But columns, they're not fixed columns because we don't know where is the end. So as simple as this, right? Okay. So A cross A will be what? Right. So this is an example that I will be giving in time. But yeah, this is known as triplets. So this we have seen in your 3-dimensional graph. Remember, Cartesian product and Cartesian plane are related. So in Cartesian plane, we have seen 3-dimensional graphs. So here, how do you figure out a point on the graph? How do you figure out a point on the graph? So we have A comma B comma C. So this will be 3 comma 4 comma 5. Again, it's an example, right? So in the similar manner, if I happen to take an order pair between, say, 3 sets, in this case it's A and A and A, so then the output will be A comma B comma C, where A, B, C are related to A itself. So these are known as order triplets. Again, all these are small notes. It's there in your book, so you guys have to make a mental note of this. So you can pause and kind of make a small note. It's not that hard.